When working with controls on a form, it's helpful for users to be able to press the Tab key to move through the form controls. To do this, you want the order in which you tab through the options to be logical. Let's take a look at how to adjust the tab order in Excel 2016. I have an invoice form with some radio buttons and checkboxes on it. When using this type of control, users like to have the option to use the Tab key to move through the controls. I'm going to click this special instructions box, and then I'm going to press the Tab key to move through the options. First it goes over to the shipping options box to Express, and then up to regular, and then back over to the special instructions box, and it goes through these checkboxes in an odd order. I'm going to fix this. So to get started, on the Home tab of the ribbon, in the Editing group, I'm going to click Find and Select, and at the bottom, I'm going to click the Selection pane. The Selection pane is a task pane that helps you to select controls, shows you the tab order, and allows you to adjust the tab order. In the Selection pane, the order is from bottom to top. So the first item in the tab order is at the very bottom, and then the next item is just above that, etc. The names of some of these controls might seem a little bit odd, like Option Button 3, Picture 1. That's because they're based on the order in which the items were added to the form. Now, if you're not sure what one of these items is, you can click it in the Selection pane, and you'll see it over in the spreadsheet. In the Selection pane, in the Special Instructions group, I'm going to drag the controls into the right order. I want Fragile at the bottom, and then I want Right Side Up, so I'll drag that down so it's just above Fragile, and then I want Signature, and then I want Other. Now for the option buttons. I want them to come after the special instructions in the tab order. So I'll drag Option Button 3 up above Special Instructions, and then I'm going to take Option Button 4, and I can also use the Bring Forward and Send Back buttons to move this control up through the list so that it's above Option Button 3. So if I wanted to move this, I'm going to click the up arrow, the Bring Forward button, to move this up the list. And there it is. It's now going to be tabbed after Option Button 3. Now I'm going to change the name of these two controls so that I'll understand them the next time I display the selection pane. I'll click Option Button 3, and I'll click again to activate the cursor, and I'm just going to call this Regular. And then I'll do the same with Option Button 4. Select it, activate the cursor, and call this Express. Now, to test out this new tab order, I'm going to click Special Instructions, and then as I press Tab on the keyboard, you can see that it tabs through the controls now in a logical order. You've now seen how to modify the tab order between worksheet elements in Excel 2016.